What's up, guys? It's your boy O, back with another video. Laced and Fitted is the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Today we got an unboxing video. Just came in the mail, so you know my first time, so you know we're gonna do this at the same time.
Let me put this away.
Alright. Y'all see what that say? So y'all should already know what's going on by now. But you know, we'll start with the box. It's like a off-white color and blue. Got Jordan's hands. Say Union on the top. Size 10.5. Air Jordan 4 Retro SP. Retail was $250. Right. First thing we got, that's the shoe paper. Then we got regular white shoe paper. Then ta-da! Here they go. Wow. First time having these in hand. They're really nice. Quality looks good. Man, these are fire. I've wanted these ever since I seen the pictures. Just they came out like a few months ago actually. I struck out on the Union site. Then they dropped on sneakers, and I don't know how, but I got them. Still shocked I got them. You know, the moments where you just do something on sneakers and you don't even look at it because you already know you're getting the didn't get them email, your entry wasn't selected email. But nope, I tried for the clothes. I tried for the other Union shoes, the what was it, the Deltas, and there's another pair. But I tried for both of those and these, and surprisingly got these. So you get y'all a closer up look. Quick little 360 spin. To the bottom, you know, it's like an off-white color. And you got suede around the toe. Then it's mesh material. The white stitching, which is very nice. You got the Union tag in yellow right there. White netting, comes with the black shoestrings. And you have a hang tag, a blue hang tag, it says Union. You see that? Most fours, you know, that's open, but they got that closed off. So on the back, Nike Air. Very dope shoe. I love this blue color. I did have the Union ones in both colorways before. And so yeah, this is my third pair of Unions. I think the Guava 4s, from what I've seen, is they were just Union exclusive only, so those are going to be the harder to get pairs than these. Even though I like these way better than the Guavas. This colorway is way more fire. Now you see inside the air bubble, got yellow inside of there. Same color as the extra strings, which these are most likely the laces that's going in. These are all one solid color laces. It's not like the ones where the top was a different color. You see the tongue, the shorter tongue, but you know, I'm sure as y'all seen, they can be the stitching can be removed and they can be flipped up, but I'm gonna leave mine just like this. You see it says Air Jordan, and it says Union right there underneath, but I'm gonna leave mine like this. I like the lower tongue better than a higher tongue on Jordan 4s. It's just a better look, man. I love 4s, but I always hated that tall tongue. Here, I'll give you an example. Tongue difference example. You know, you see how big this tongue is compared to this tongue. Way more balanced with a smaller tongue than me. But you never know. Some people might like their tongue to show, put the jeans behind the tongue, but I like the tongue better like this. Put those to the side. So yeah, I'm gonna throw these on real quick, give y'all the on foot look. So yeah, stay tuned. No, yeah, that's the bottom. Nothing special. It's that classic Nike check. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to throw them on. Be right back. Alright, that's it for this video, y'all. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I keep these videos coming. And show y'all my fix for today. Just cop these two. If y'all want to see a video on these, you know, let me know when I drop one. Off-White Vapor Streets. Comment below and let me know if y'all want to see these. But yeah, that's it.